Show here is Fabiola's cervical correction traction. Her C3 is where the reversal is. So we're putting this strap right here on C3. We're pulling at a superior incline that will create the extension in that C3 on C4. We've got the head pulled back here. We've got weight on this side of it. This is exactly opposite of her subluxation pattern. Now the traction works that we have to do it over 10 minutes. The ligament will resist remodeling for the first 10 minutes, and then once we hit at 10 minutes, the ligament will start to change. We'll do this repetitively. We do our in-office traction at 15 minutes, home traction on her den roll at 20 minutes, and this is how she'll build the cervical curve back. And that's Fabiola's cervical traction setup.